Again, the secret is in the microscopic detail of the lotus leaf. Its surface is covered in tiny bumps, each of which is capped by a waxy layer. The caps repel water, forcing it to perch on the very tips of the microscopic bumps. Unable to reach the leaf's surface, all the water can do is roll back into a sphere. And since it's repelled by the tiny bumps, there's nothing to stop it rolling off the leaf. But even more impressive, the water drops pick up any particles of dirt on the leaf's surface and carry them off as well. So lotus leaves are always immaculately clean. A reason why they're a symbol of purity in Eastern religions. And it's too good a trick for science to miss. This fabric has all the water-repelling qualities of a lotus leaf. To make it means first weaving a strong, dense material. The material is then run through a machine that coats it with a substance that's still a closely guarded secret. As it dries, this coating produces millions of microscopic bumps over the surface of the material that work in the same way as those on a lotus leaf, making a material that is not only water repellent, but self-cleaning. And there's already a self-cleaning paint based on the same principle. Ordinary paint soon gets dirty. But dirt and water just roll off this new paint, called loto2. And a similar coating over this spoon means simple, pure water will pick up any dirt and leave the spoon totally clean. The surface, developed at the University of Bonn in Germany, even repels something as sticky as honey, which just runs off like water. Won't it be great when the self-cleaning shoe is invented? Repelling water is the key to good waterproofing. And both people and nature have invented many ways of doing this. We use fabrics coated in water-repellent oils. And many birds do the same. Spreading a layer of oil over their feathers, which means the water just runs off like, well, water off a duck's back. So ducks would be the obvious place to look for improvements in waterproofing. But in biomimetics, it's not always the obvious places that are the best. Hidden beneath the surface of a South American stream, a strange spider has a novel way of waterproofing itself. These spiders prey on small fish in mountain streams, and underwater, they trap a silvery layer of air around their bodies. But when they emerge from the water, they're completely dry. Researchers at the University of Bonn in Germany have been trying to unlock the spider's secrets. The spiders are covered in bristles, and it turns out that the spacing and three-dimensional arrangement of these bristles is critical in giving the spider its extreme waterproof coat. The scientists here have measured the exact spacing of these hairs, as well as looking at the intricate microscopic architecture of the individual hairs. Using these findings, researchers have developed an ultra-waterproof fabric. As a test, it was submerged in water for 4 days and still emerged bone dry.